And of course, it just as quick as it came in, it left. I'm going to shoot a little bit here for my friend Mark over in the United Kingdom. He says that this summer the sun has not come out of hiding all summer long over there. His community over there, he's had nothing but floods. Says he has to use his rowboat to get to work. Living in Phoenix, I'm not in any areas where I have to worry about that. Don't get me wrong, we have floods out here in our basins. We have washes out here that flood and you can't get across them. I'm just shooting this quick one for him. He's been wanting some sunshine shots, so I hope you don't mind. Do a little bit more here for him. See if I can zoom in on that. I guess that's a zoom from me again, huh? Okay, we're going to pretty much wrap it up here. Sorry, I was hoping there'd be more action than that. Bye for now. And this is for Mark also, since he doesn't get to see very much sun over there in the United Kingdom. Give him a quick view of the downtown buildings.